Hey guys, Lily here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So guys, this morning hubby and I are over here at Turner Falls Park in Davis, Oklahoma. We decided to come and have a little getaway, right baby? Just the two of us, no kids or anything, over here out in nature. And we just got here. We're scoping out our little camping spot. Hubby's trying to see where we're gonna set up our tent, where we're gonna put our hammock. We chose this little spot over here between these two trees, or we also have this tree and then this tree behind me. So we don't know. We're gonna look around and see how we're gonna set up. So this is how our little camping spot looks like. This is where we chose to get. There's not like a whole bunch of shade, but it's okay. What are you doing, boo-boo? You don't like this spot very well? Yeah? Guys, so our tent is set up. This is our first time setting up this tent. It's new. So, yeah, it's pretty spacious for hubby and I. We hope we did it right because we didn't read no instructions or anything. We never do. Right, boo-boo?
We never do.
But yeah, that's how it looks. Our little tent. Then it has an opening over here on the front. Got our pillows, our mattresses, our blanket, everything. So guys, one of the things I don't like about this little camping spot that we got is that the restrooms are a little bit far. So we have to come use these right here. And I really don't like using these, but when you're camping, you gotta use what you have. So guys, right here, right across from the porta potties, they have these little shelters. These don't have AC or anything. And there's nothing in there. I don't think there's nothing in the rooms. I don't want to go peek in there because I don't know if somebody's in there. But I think when hubby and I came, I think they're empty. You can bring your own like inflatable mattresses and stuff like that. But they're not like air conditioned or anything. They have some that are air conditioned. I'm pretty sure those are more expensive. But look how pretty it looks in there. They have little picnic tables and grills. On my way back to hubby. The sun is so hot. The lady over there, when we checked in, she said it was going to be another hot day. So make sure y'all get a spot where there's plenty of shade, she said. Usually when we come camping here at Turner Falls, because this is the only place where we usually come camping, we set up our little camping site and then we'll take off and we'll go swimming and stuff. So we're usually not over here at our camping site until later, or like when we have to eat. So yeah, it's not that bad. So guys, we got this little grill, 17-inch. Huh? Okay. Hubby's gonna set it up. We needed a small one for over here. 20 bucks at Walmart. We got a good little breeze going right now. It feels good, that breeze right here in the shade. Hubby brought a strap, the one that we strap our boat with. Is that the one we strap our boat with? Yeah. And yeah, another strap over there, because we're gonna put the hammock right here. I'm so excited, guys. We're just getting started. Almost finished, boo-boo?
Almost.
Because I'm hungry.
I'm hungry too. Are you gonna tell him, huh? I bet.
Hubby's over here saying that he had screws left over. But nope, there they go. It's a Mexican thing, boo-boo. Those are like the extras. You know, yeah, that's what they are. Like it
means you did something right.
Yeah, you needed less parts. Aw, snap. And the grill is done. I don't know what we're gonna throw on there right now. We'll see.
We can throw some hot links first.
You want hot links?
That's easy.
Alrighty. Hot links it is. And so hubby puts the stuff together and I go throw away the trash. Gotta look both ways before you cross the street. Look both ways before you cross the street. We have our Scout over here already tying up our hammock. Right there. Guys, I wanted a Mexican hammock. Those that are really stretchy. But of course, I don't know where to get one here. So we got this mesh one at Walmart. I don't know how much it costs, but it was like 25 bucks, I think, at Walmart. It has little palm trees on it. See how it works.
Too low.
Yeah, that's too low. Hold the strap.
Okay.
We can try, and then once, if it goes down too low, then you could just put it a little bit higher. You gonna try it out, boo-boo?
Ooh. What was that?
I don't know.
It sounds like it's tearing.
I know.
It's not though. Oh.
No, it's because it's stretching. Oh, look at that, guys. That's a life right there.
Oh, she bust my...
Hubby's just watching Buzz's butt.
Oh, yeah.
Ah, boo-boo. And then that little breeze. Ah, we needed this little getaway, guys. Hubby works too much, too hard every day. And I do too. Yeah. So guys, hubby and I are gonna just walk it over here and explore for a little bit. Just check it out. See how many people are here and what they're doing. And then we'll go and start the grill and
Burn on the rock. See, I was
yeah.
saying right here.
But yeah, guys, look at this little camping spot right here. Hubby said it's nice and shady as well. A lot of shade. But the path is really ugly through here to bring our vehicle down through here. So, never mind. Look, guys. People even camp right here. It's like more in the woods. We just camp right along the street. I don't like camping like too far in here because there are hog signs everywhere. And I told hubby if we're closer, like, you know, to the edge of the little road right there, it's harder for them to come over here close to us. But I don't know. They have little trails everywhere. Yeah, little paths everywhere. You can camp wherever you want. So guys, look, this little hammock that we got, it came in this little mesh bag. It's cute. I liked it. It's strong, lightweight, breathable mesh fabric, quick drying, UV resistant, weight capacity 375 pounds. So hubby and I both fit in here. The dimensions, it's handcrafted with poly rope loops and a hanging rope kit included. So yeah, this is it. If y'all want to get one of these, $24.99 at Walmart. I think that's what we paid for it, 25 bucks. Hubby over here starting the grill because, like I said, we're going to throw some hot links on there real quick just to throw something in our bellies. This is the first time I do this, guys. When we come camping, I threw everything in a container. I usually just throw it in a bag, but everything that we need pretty much is in this container right here, and I like it. Okay guys, so while hubby is while the grill is getting ready for hubby to start cooking the hot links, I'm gonna make a little guacamole for hubby. He likes his hot links with guacamole. I don't. I just like mine with mustard. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. And so the guacamole is done, guys, and let me show you guys the hot links. They're right here, almost done. Getting ready to get our grub on. Nice little breeze going. And so here goes hubby's hot link. Oops, it kind of tilted. There you go, boo-boo.
That's what I like stuff.
He was over here chilling on the hammock. Take a bigger bite. Good. Okay guys, and I only eat I like mine with mustard. So, and then I don't like the flies. There's a lot of flies out here. Gotta eat them fast. Beat them. Guys, so hubby's over here getting ready to inflate our little what are they, baby?
The tubes.
Yeah.
Inflatable tubes.
Yeah, and so we have a little manual pump, and you guys see what's right there?
What in the world, boy?
Hubby's like, what is in here? And it turns out to be markers. Our grandson Jason stuffed it with markers. There's two, and there's another one in there because you can hear it in there. That's so funny.
Look at that.
Oh wow. Let me see what else is gonna come out of there. A little Nerf pellet, whatever. A bullet. Nerf pellet. A Nerf bullet. Who knows what else he stuck in there? Will it work with it in there? Yeah. I don't know. Hubby's over here trying to take everything out of there.
What in the world, boy?
Wow, there's gummy bears in there. All of that hubby took out of the tube. Out of the pump. That little tube that goes to the pump. Yeah. And mine's already blown up. I chose a colorful one, and hubby's is what, blue, baby?
I think so.
We bought these because we're planning on floating down the little stream right here. Just chilling in the sun. See how that goes. We've never done that here at Turner Falls, right, boo-boo?
Mm-hmm.
Hubby's is ready as well.
I am.
So guys, hubby and I are going up to the 3rd level. We're camping on 2nd level, which is where we usually camp, but we're gonna go up here to 3rd level and check it out and see. It looks pretty empty. The park looks pretty empty, maybe because it's during the week. Look at this right here, guys. You can park right here and overlook. We're gonna pull over in here and we can walk around and just look at the scenery. How beautiful it is. Nothing but greenery and hills everywhere. But yeah, that's just how it looks right here. Look guys, this is new to us. Even last time we came and did a vlog for you guys, I guess, oh, a bus, when it's really busy, I guess a bus does come by. Huh. I really don't know how it works right now. But anyways, right now it's really, really lonely. It's usually packed. Maybe, like I said, because it's during the week and not during the weekend, because it is the summer, so I don't know why it's so empty, but hubby and I are loving it. We're loving that it's pretty empty.
Yeah.
But yeah, we've noticed that there's a lot of new like bus stops, and they have like little coverings, like these little rooftops right here, like the yellow one that's right up here. This is new. They're like renovating the park a lot. Here, it's like more wooded. There's a lot more trees, more shade, but look how empty it is. But you can also come and camp up here. They have porta potties, they have little dumpsters. We're coming over here to a swimming area and trying to see if it's empty, but I doubt it because hubby already saw some people.
These are nice too, right here.
Yeah. Look guys, you can camp right there in that area. They have restrooms, like I said, dumpsters. We just passed one. They have dumpsters all along the way. They usually give us a little map, but they didn't give us a map this time. I don't know why. They have hiking trails, but like you can camp in there. Did we come this way last time?
Yeah.
This is where they swim, right?
Yep. See?
Oh yeah. So guys, last year in February when we came and gave you guys a little tour of the place, they didn't have these no parking signs right here, nor these rocks or anything like this right here. People could go down through here. But yeah, we're gonna check it out. Last time we came, it looked nice, you know, to swim and stuff, but right now it's looking very, very swampy, very mossy. Sorry if I move the camera a lot, guys. I'm walking and it's very, like, it's a downhill and there's a lot of rocks. So hubby over there wanting to show y'all his back and his boxers. Look how it looks right here. The water is very clear over here on this side. Huh? You're down to swim right here? Just chill? Guys, hubby says he's down to swim right here. I know the water's freezing, right?
Really pretty.
Look, guys.
It looks really pretty.
The water is crystal clear. You can see all the way to the bottom, all little rocks. But yeah, look at all that. The ugly moss. Look at hubby, guys. But yeah, this looks like a pretty nice spot, boo boo. I like it.
We're just trying to stay away from this area.
Oh, but I know. But what all the way up there, baby, before that waterfall?
Where?
Where the ropes are. Who knows, guys? We're deciding where we want to swim. You like it right here? We're just gonna sit in our floaties and just sunbathe right here, right, boo boo? So yeah, I guess we'll stay here. So one more quick little view of the little spot where we're gonna come and just float right here. We're gonna chill for a bit right here in the sun until we get hungry, and then go up there and cook it. I mean, down there, because we're up here at level 3. We're gonna go back down to level 2 and cook it up when we get hungry. Look, guys, do y'all see those little fishies? Hubby and I are getting ready to go swim with them. All the little fishies. You want your floaty?
No.
No?
No.
We're not gonna float.
Not until I get in. Oh, the floaties are nice and warm.
Enjoying yourself, boo boo?
Yes, I am. Relaxing.
Yeah, we're relaxing, guys. There's a cool breeze. The water right here by the edge doesn't feel so cold, but back there it's really cold. The water comes from the Arbuckle Mountain, so of course it's freezing. But it feels good for this hot summer day. I don't know. I don't even know what the temperature is, but it's hot. We out here. I think we're gonna stay just a little bit more, and then we'll go back. I mean, we'll go down there to our campsite and make something to eat. Right, boo boo?
Right. I'm getting hungry.
Yeah. Guys, hubby says he can fall asleep right here. I don't know how long we've been here, but we've just been relaxing. He said 30 more minutes and we'll go up there, but he says he can fall asleep.
Yes, sure can.
This is so relaxing, guys. We so needed this.
Yeah, we did.
Yep. I go, babe, is this fun to you? And he's like, babe, I'm loving it. This is fun. I guess, right? For 40s, if you're in your 40s, just to chill and stuff. Yeah. I'm loving it too.
I love it.
On our way back to our campsite. So guys, while hubby and I are waiting for the charcoal to be ready, I'm gonna snack on one of these little protein snacks. It's a portable protein pack. It has cheese, it has turkey and little almonds in here. These are delicious. I don't know if you guys tried them. They have a variety of cheeses, nuts, and meats. So this is one of my favorites right here. Okay guys, so I already cut up some fajitas and some chicken fajitas. Gotta watch the flies over here. Hubby's over there cooking it up on the grill already. He got some onions and, like I said, some beef fajitas, some chicken fajitas. And that's what we're gonna eat right now. Yummy guys, it's starting to smell delicious. Look at all that yumminess.
Just eat a little bit, go back to the hole.
Yep, we're gonna eat and then go back to that little water hole that we were swimming in. This one is carne?
Yeah.
This one's good? And this pollo too?
Just flip on me over the
Okay. So, hubby decided to do some stuffed banana peppers. They have queso fresco. And so yeah, we got our little onions going. They're still hard. I was gonna say they're almost done, but no, they're still hard. And our chicken's almost done. And our fajitas, they're over here. They're already done. It's a little bit because it's just for hubby and I. We got some neighbor campers here, and it's not as quiet as it was before when it was just hubby and I, but I mean, everybody pays to come in here, right? So yeah, it's all good. It's a big family. So it's gonna be a little noisy. They got music going on already and everything. So good, baby.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank
Why is it so good? Or am I hungry?
you. Just hungry.
It's good.